Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common challenge that iOS users are facing after updating to iOS 17.1.2, Wi-Fi connectivity problems. If your Wi-Fi has been acting up, stay tuned as we explore some straightforward solutions to get things back on track. Let's get started. A quick and effective troubleshooting method is to restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power button until the slide to power off slider appears. Swipe to turn off your iPhone, wait a few seconds, then press and hold the power button again until you see the Apple logo. Let your iPhone restart and check if the Wi-Fi issue persists. If a simple restart doesn't resolve the issue, let's try forgetting the Wi-Fi network and reconnecting. Head to your iPhone settings, tap on Wi-Fi, find your network, tap the icon, and select Forget this network. Confirm your decision. Now, go back to the Wi-Fi settings, find your network again, and reconnect by entering the password. This often resolves authentication or connection issues. If the problem lingers, our next step is to reset network settings. Keep in mind that this action will reset all network-related settings on your iPhone, including Wi-Fi passwords and VPN configurations. Go to Settings, then General, and scroll down to Reset. Tap on Reset Network Settings and confirm. Your iPhone will restart, and after powering back on, you'll need to re-enter Wi-Fi passwords and set up any custom network configurations. This step is a bit more drastic, but can resolve persistent Wi-Fi issues. So there you have it, some simple solutions to troubleshoot and fix Wi-Fi issues on your iPhone after installing iOS 17.1.2. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have questions or if these solutions worked for you, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.